Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 4, whole number multiplication, lesson 10, so turn to page 41 so you can follow along. Alright, so today is a gizmos lesson, so you're going to do what is called critter count. So when you go to your VMath page and log in, you got to click on the gizmos app, and then, so it's at the VMath website, put in your username and password, select the gizmos poster, and then click on critter count, modeling multiplication. So it says use the models to find each product. So for example, this one is 2 groups of 7. There's 1, 2 groups. So if we count, we can count on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 2 times 7 is 14. Here we have groups of 2. There's 1, 2 in each one, so we can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 7 times 2 is also 14. 2 times 7 is the same as 7 times 2. Okay, so what you're going to do when you get to your gizmos, make sure that you're on page 41. And you're going to follow along on the counting critters, and you follow the directions. So for example, number 3, it says pull down the ladybug's menu and select a critter. Click the circle for array. So you can, it's tiny on here, but there's a little circle for array, and then you count your critters where it says ladybugs. Okay, and then follow all the directions and then fill it in. Okay. So you will do this page and page 42. So on your own, you'll complete pages 41 and 42 using the Gizmos app on VMath. So you'll just follow along pages 41 and 42 using Gizmos. Good luck.